Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best proportioning valve is probably one of the most underappreciated components in your vehicle's braking system, but it's also one of the most important. Today, we're diving deep into the world of proportioning valves, exploring what they are, how they work, and why they're essential for safe and effective braking, especially in vehicles with disc brakes on all four wheels. Get ready to understand how this little valve keeps you safe on the road. Number 5. UTSAUTO PV4 Brass Brake Proportioning Valve. This is the PV4 combination proportioning valve, based on the popular AC Delco 172-1361 valves. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's braking performance. This valve is a great fit for your classic truck. It's engineered to work seamlessly with disc brakes in both the front and rear. It's the perfect complement to your disc brake setup. This proportioning valve helps distribute pressure to the front and rear brakes. This valve, also known as a combination valve, plays a crucial role in preventing rear lockup. It ensures balanced braking. The PV4 valve has 2 3/8-24 ports for front calipers and 1 9/16-18 port for rear brakes. The connections from the master cylinder are 1 2-20 and 7/16-24. What we like. This valve is a perfect fit for your classic truck, ensuring optimal brake performance. It helps prevent rear lockup, enhancing safety on the road. If you're looking to upgrade your classic truck's braking system, this is the one you should consider. What people say. It bolted right up to the frame and brake lines, a 79 Blazer system, and worked perfectly. Brake bias front and rear is just about perfect. Did a disc brakes on the rear of my 1991 GMC V3500 and it's improved braking substantially. This is exactly what you need if you're doing the conversion too. Number 4. POWERWORKS PV4 disc brake proportioning valve. Are you experiencing rear wheel lockup? This PV4 proportioning valve is designed to solve that problem. It ensures balanced brake pressure distribution for optimal performance. This valve works with most classic trucks, muscle cars, and vehicles with disc brakes in the front and rear. It's a versatile solution for various vehicles. The PV4 helps to distribute pressure proportionally, preventing the rear wheels from locking up during braking. This improves safety and control. Made from high-quality brass, this valve offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The brass construction also ensures efficient thermal conductivity. It features standard 9/16-18 and 1 2-20 fittings, making installation straightforward. The master cylinder connections are 1 2-20 and 7/16-24. The package includes one brass PV4 brake proportioning valve. Get yours today and experience improved braking performance. What we like. This proportioning valve is made of high-quality brass, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. It effectively prevents rear lockup, improving your vehicle's safety. If you are looking for a reliable and durable valve for your classic car or muscle car, it is the best choice. What people say. Perfect fit. Well made. Included brake pressure switch. This proportioning valve seems to have worked for me so far. All dimensions were the same, all fitting sizes were the same as my steel OE valve. Number 3. PV4 Brass Proportioning Valve for Ford Chevy Mopar. This PV4 combination proportioning valve is widely applicable to most cars and trucks. It's designed for vehicles with four-wheel disc brakes, making it a versatile choice for various models. Made of solid brass, this valve ensures durability and a longer service life. It's a perfect fit for hot rods, Ford, Chevy, and Mopar classic trucks, based on the 172-1361 disc valve style. Built with heavy-duty features, it's compatible with nearly all vehicles that have disc brakes in the front and rear. This ensures reliable performance and longevity. Upgrading your vehicle from drum to disc. This valve contains a residual pressure valve for proper braking feel. It also ensures proper fluid transfer and proportional pressure distribution to prevent rear wheel lockup. The combination proportioning valve has 5 connections and can be mounted in multiple ways. It features 9/16-18 connections for rear brakes and dual 3/8-24 ports for front brakes, along with 1 2-20 and 7/16-24 connections for the master cylinder. What we like. This valve is widely applicable to most cars and trucks with four-wheel disc brakes. It is made of solid brass for a durable and longer service life. If you are upgrading your vehicle from drum to disc and need a reliable proportioning valve, this is the one for you. What people say. Very nice machined piece. Worked great on my disc to disc conversion. Works well. Served as a great way to eliminate ABS module at its frame mounted position. Brass fitting adapters may be necessary depending on vehicle. Number 2. 18 Performance PV4 PV71 Brake Proportioning Valve. Introducing the 18 Performance PV4 PV71, designed to enhance your vehicle's braking system. This valve centralizes brake proportioning and bias adjustment, improving overall performance. Built with premium brass, this valve ensures long-lasting durability. Its sturdy construction minimizes the need for frequent replacements, making it a reliable choice. While instructions aren't included, plenty of online tutorials are available. This valve easily integrates with your existing brake components, making installation straightforward. This valve is engineered for precision, ensuring superior braking balance. It supports comprehensive upgrades when paired with other components, giving you greater control. Styled after original models, it combines vintage aesthetics with modern engineering. It offers a universal fit, working seamlessly with various brake systems. What we like. This valve is constructed from premium brass, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. It is designed for precision, ensuring superior braking balance. If you like a valve that combines vintage aesthetics with modern engineering, you should consider it. What people say. So this valve fit perfectly into the spot where the old one came out. Bolt holes and fitting sizes were the same. Great replacement for my '75 Corvette, last piece I needed to finish up the new brake system. Need to upgrade from drum to four-wheel disc, this valve did the job. Number 1. GM Disc Proportioning Valve Kit. This valve is designed to look like the original equipment used in '70s GM cars. It gives your classic vehicle an authentic, vintage appearance. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want to maintain the original look. It combines metering for the front brakes and proportioning for the rear brakes. This streamlined design simplifies your brake system. It ensures balanced braking performance. This kit is specifically made for vehicles with disc brakes on all four wheels. You might need an extra adjustable valve for the rear brakes, depending on your setup. It's designed to work efficiently with your existing system. The kit comes with hard lines that are ready to connect to your master cylinder. The outlets are 1/2 to 20 and 9/16 to 18, making installation easier. This saves you time and effort during setup. It features two 3/8 to 24 IFF outlets for front brakes and one 9/16 to 18 IFF outlet for rear brakes. These ports are designed for optimal brake fluid flow. This ensures your brakes function at their best. What we like. This valve resembles the designs used in '70s GM cars, ensuring an original look. It incorporates both metering and proportioning into a single unit, offering streamlined operation. If you are a vintage vehicle enthusiast looking for an authentic look and easy installation, you should consider this. What people say. Good quality. Easy to install. I used it for a '92 GMC van that I couldn't get a factory replacement and it worked awesome. Works exactly as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.